Badlapur is shining bright this Navratri as Rohan Patil, in collaboration with Yuva Badlapur and Sahyadri Foundation, has organized a grand Navratri Utsav on a massive scale. Every evening, thousands of devotees and dance lovers are gathering to enjoy the vibrant Garba and Dandiya performances. The Utsav has become the talk of the town, not just for its festive energy but also for the celebrity presence. Celebrity Komal Shetty has already graced the Utsav, and many more surprise Bollywood celebrities are awaited in the coming days, adding glamour and excitement to the celebrations. One of the biggest highlights is the prize distribution worth lakhs of rupees. Each night, the best male and female dancers are rewarded with exciting gifts including premium gadgets like the iPhone 16 and Apple iPad. This unique initiative has created a wave of excitement, especially among the youth. To maintain a safe and family-friendly environment, the organizers have made tight security arrangements. Male and female bouncers, volunteers, police personnel, and CCTV surveillance are all in place to ensure smooth management of the massive crowd. Speaking about the event, organizer Rohan Patil said that the aim of this Utsav is not only to celebrate devotion but also to promote culture, encourage talent, and bring the Badlapur community together. With dazzling decorations, electrifying performances, celebrity appearances, and grand prizes, the Grand Navratri Utsav is proving to be the pride of Badlapur and one of the most memorable celebrations of this festive season.
Today at Badlapur, there is a grand huge event of Navratri Utsav organized by the Yuva Badlapur and Rohan Patil. So we will have conversation with them. Sir, you have arranged this grand event in Badlapur. What you will say, how you got the inspiration and what inspiration you got and what prizes are for the people of Badlapur?
First of all, you must be not knowing this that we are doing this Navratri Utsav from last 25 years. Initially, it was done by my uncle and his mates, and our mandal's name was Sahyadri Mitra Mandal. This time we came with Yuva Badlapur. We have made a collab with Yuva Badlapur and Sahyadri Mitra Mandal. So my team and our uncle's team, we both are doing this together. So we have a lot of manpower, and this time we have already focused on the women's safety. Women's safety is our priority. So we have put all the CCTV cameras over here, the police vans on both the ends, and the male-female bouncers. You asked me about these prizes. So we have more than 100 prizes, and the grand prizes. The top 3 prizes are: the first one we did not reveal yet, but the second one is iPhone 16, and the third one is iPad. And every day the best male dancers and best female dancers gets the prizes. Lot of hampers, the best costumes wins. We have lot of things. You have to come every day. So I invite you from your live, all the Badlapurkars and whoever are watching this, please do come, support us, and you will like it. Thank you.
Really, it's a grand event and there are so many prizes in Badlapur. So, and there is a huge safety at Badlapur. Celebrity came to Badlapur for a huge grand event of Navratri Utsav. So we will talk with them. How you feel today you are at Badlapur for a grand event of Navratri Utsav? How you feel?
It is truly mesmerizing event. I feel the crowd here is so good, so happy and joyous. And this year's Navratri, especially for Badlapur, is very important, I feel, because this year this schoolgirl case happened, and Ma Devi, Ma Durga gave all that blessings. We can kill that Mahishasur. So this year's Navratri is, I feel, it's very important, and this is celebrating in very large scale here. So do visit to this Badlapur's event. And
yes, and really it's a huge event and it's a grand event. So what you will say to people of Badlapur? What will give message to them?
Ma Durga is always with us. So have her blessing and be joyous, be happy.
Thank you.